with Nest Pretty. Have you read the book, The Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide? This book is all about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. And chapter 1, it describes Nest Pretty this way. It is a verb. It is the action of choosing to live your best life. Those are the small choices that we make every day. So many ways we have a choice. So, are you choosing wisely? That's the question. So, I am a closet coach. I help women to curate a wardrobe she loves. And I do that by using tools such as life coaching and closet organization. So if you have purchased an organizing book and you pulled everything out of your closet and you piled it high on your bed and your whole weekend was wasted and you didn't make any progress, then I am here to help you. It is a process. It is work, but I'm telling you, it is worth all of the effort because here's the thing, you have to get dressed every day. You might as well enjoy it. And when you curate a wardrobe intentionally, it takes all the guesswork out of getting dressed. You can get dressed with confidence, you can enjoy the process, and always know that you're looking your best, showing up as the best version of yourself. All of these things are so important because this is your life. Seriously, show up. So, I am a closet coach. You can go to HeidiGammill.com. You can grab my free 5-day training, How to Curate a Wardrobe You Love, and I hope that moves you closer to your goal. If you need more help, just send me a message in the DMs and we can chat all about it. I hope that you are enjoying any changes that are happening in your life. We are into spring, so it's time to be looking at our spring wardrobe and making decisions and preparing for any upcoming events. I know I have 3 events coming up and they're all very special and it's taking everything for me to get what I need. But it's all about being prepared. So I hope you have a fantastic evening. I hope that you are choosing to nest pretty, making choices to live your best life. Have a great evening.